Guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Dr. Brownson. So you're welcome to Dr. Brownson chemistry class. So today we shall be talking about physical and chemical changes. So first of all, let's start with physical changes. Physical changes. Now, these are changes which are easily reversible and no new substances are formed. Physical changes are easily reversible. No new substances are formed. For example, the dissolution of salt in water is a physical change. If you dissolve salt in water, the end product still gives you what? A brine solution. Let's say salt plus water, right? Gives you what? A brine solution, which is your what? Your salty water, right? Which is your salty water. So for you now to recover back the salt, it has to undergo what we call evaporation. It has to undergo what we call what? Evaporation. So if you evaporate the vapor which is in the salty water, which is the brine solution, the vapor will do what? The vapor will evaporate. If you heat the salty water, the vapor will do what? Evaporate, and then you can still recover back your what? Your salt. So that is a what? That is a physical what? Change. So physical changes are easily reversible, while chemical changes, chemical changes, chemical changes are not easily reversible. Chemical changes are not easily reversible, and new substances are formed. For example, we have the rusting of iron, right? So this is your number one example. If you get a new iron, that is an iron rod, once you expose it to air after a long time, it's going to do what? It's going to rust. That is the brownish substances you see around it. It's going to it's going to form a moist on it. So that moisture substance leads to what? To rusting of the iron. So the iron moves from what? A new, let's say a brand new iron to what? To a rusted iron. To a rusted iron. So this change is what? Is chemical change. It is not what? Easily reversible. New substances are formed. So these are what? The two differences between what? Physical change and what? Chemical change. So in case you've been asked in exam, what are chemical changes and what are what? Physical changes. Physical changes are what? Easily reversible, and no new substances are what? Are formed. And while chemical changes are what? Are not while chemical changes are what? Are not easily reversible, but new substances are formed. And another example is your firewood. Your firewood. So if you burn firewood, let's say you burn firewood, it's going to give us what? Ashes, right? Now, can you change ashes back to firewood? No. So this step or this change, this kind of change is called what? It's called chemical change. Because why? You cannot reverse, you cannot turn ashes back to firewood. Once it burns, it has burnt. So physical changes are different from what? From chemical changes. And then these physical changes leads to what we call the physical what? Properties. And everyone knows what physical properties are. An example of a physical property is your melting point, boiling point, and the rest of all that. So I hope I've been able to teach you what physical and chemical changes are. So please help me to share this video so that others can get this knowledge, and turn on the notification button for other videos. Subscribe. Thank you.